Right here in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make 15 naira every single minute doing simple tasks online. These jobs will not take you 2 to 5 minutes to perform. These are probably what you do every single day, taking up your phone, liking posts and commenting on people's social media accounts. But this time around, you'll be making money. So with that said, I'll take you to my screen right now, sharing with you how you can make this happen and how you can make 15 naira every minute doing simple jobs online. Now, this will not make you millions overnight, but with this, you can be able to make something that will help you sort out some bills and compile this to other source of income I'm going to be sharing with you in this channel. You can make something for yourself. So that's the more reason you have to stay subscribed to this very community. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Unama Evans, and in this community I share videos around ways you can make money and how you can build a business right here on the internet. So go down there right now, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so that you will never miss out from my premium content every single week. And if you have not liked this video, smash that like button. Thanks in advance. Now with this said, I'll take you to my screen right now, sharing with you every single thing you need to know. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, I just placed a withdrawal and the payment date I placed the withdrawal was today. As you can see, 10 of 27, and when the money will be paid to my account is the same day, which is 10 of 27, right? As you can see right here, the status right here is Q, right? So this platform will pay you to do these simple jobs online. Now these are what you'll be making once you get registered and get verified on this platform. And remember, you have to be a verified user before you can be making money on this platform, right? And you can be making money every single day, withdrawing this money every week into your bank account once you are a verified user. Now to be a verified user, you have to use the link in the description of this video to be a verified user. I'll be leaving the link in the comment section so that you have easy access to it to register your account. But before you register your account, you have to go through this short video to have a full understanding about this platform, and I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know to make 15 naira every single minute by doing simple jobs online, right? So the name of this platform is called Freebyz. Now Freebyz was created for you to make cool cash every single day by doing simple social media jobs online on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms. Now you can use Freebyz to answer surveys, questions, play games, install applications to make money online daily. On Freebyz you can hire workers also if you are a business owner to increase your business visibility and organic growth through engagement on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp and Twitter. As you can see right here, Freebyz have over 14,500 jobs available, right, and over 41,890 users with over 34,791 jobs completed, right? These are cash withdrawals from people. As you can see, these are cash withdrawals, right? You can go through the frequently asked questions about this platform. How do I start any of Freebyz? How can I withdraw my money? You can just go through this once you have registered your account to have a full understanding about the platform. All right, less I mentioned, this platform also works for those who are outside Nigeria. So if you are from other countries, you are safe to use this platform and make money in dollars and withdraw into your paper or your foreign bank account. Just go through this yourself, right? Now this is just a walkthrough of the platform, right? Now the first thing to do is to get registered on the platform. So if you click on the link in the description, it will bring you to the registration phase of this very platform. You have to register your account. So to create an account is very simple. Just put in your first name, as you can see right here, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, select your country, whatever country you are. As you can see, these are different countries from this very place, meaning it work worldwide. Put your password, confirm your password. You want to put YouTube here, agree, then you click on register, then your account is going to be created, right? So once you create your account, you are going to be having something like this. Now the first thing you have to do is to verify your account with just 1,000 naira. Now this is a one-time verification fee of which you have to verify your account before you can be able to withdraw your money, right? If you are not a verified user, you cannot be able to withdraw your money once you have made money from this platform. So to verify your account is just a one-time fee of 1,000 naira, of which you are not going to be paying any single thing again, right? Once you verify your account, you can start performing simple tasks, making money every single day. You get paid 500 each time you refer a friend, right? This is just free money. As you can see, we will reward you with 55,000 naira, which is $78 when you refer 100 users, over 500,000 when you refer over 1,000 users. And these are simple tasks you can do on the platform and you can make money. Comment on YouTube videos, Instagram follow job, subscribe to YouTube channel. These are jobs that won't take you up to 30 seconds to 1 minute to do. Just go there, subscribe and like, and you are done, right? These are jobs won't take you 5 minutes to do. These are an Instagram follow job. Just follow an Instagram account, you get paid over 0.018 cents, right? These are money from these are dollars, right? telling you this work worldwide, right? This is 12 naira. This is 0.147 cents. These are works you can do on the platform, but before you can do that, you have to be verified. So if you scroll down right here, you're going to be saying get access to more jobs. Only verified users have unlimited access to job. Now verification successful because I've already verified my account. So you have to verify your account once you scroll down to this very platform. So guys, this is how you can make money from this platform. To perform simple jobs on this platform is very simple. What you have to do is very simple. Click on the jobs you want to perform tasks. So once you click on the job, as you can see, subscribe to channel. All right, subscribe to YouTube. It's important to go through the instruction of the task so that you can have a deep understanding about it. And this is the campaign description. This campaign description, just click on this link, subscribe and screenshot. Comment if you have subscribed before, right? And once you have done that, you submit your screenshot here and you are good to go. Just click on submit right here and your task is going to get approved in the next few hours and you are done. And these jobs won't take you more than 30 seconds to 1 minute to do, and you make your money and you go to the next task and you start doing tasks. Spend 30 minutes here and you can make some good amount of money in this very platform, and you can withdraw this money every single week from this very platform. Just a one-time rich fee of 1,000 naira to become a verified user and you are good to go. So click on the first link in the description of this video to have an account with them and verify your account. And if you have any issues in verify your account, I'll leave a video in the comment section. Watch that video on how you can verify your account, or you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to be telling you what to do, right? And you can reach me on WhatsApp if you wish to. So guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. I believe you got value. If you do, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. So with that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. So guys, this is how you can make money from this very platform. Now with a one-time registration fee of 1,000 naira, you can be making money every single day from this very website called Freebyz. And this can be a side income you can do and you can make good money from it every single day. Now within a week you can make some good money for yourself and you can add this to other source of income I'm going to be sharing with you later in this video. So guys, thanks for watching again. I believe you find value. If you do, like this video, comment on the comment section if you find value, and subscribe and stay connected to this community for more amazing content and videos. And you can share this content to someone you know it will be valuable to them, right? It's important to learn more ways on how you can start a business and make money on the internet. So I put together some amazing videos showing you how you can start a business and make more money right here on the internet. Click here right now to access the playlist I've put together showing you more amazing ways to make money. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.